Welcome to GC Cars. My name is Eric and today we are going for an off-road POV test drive in this 2025 Ram 1500 RHO. This is a replacement for the TRX, no more supercharged V8 for now, might be coming back very soon. However, this has the 3-liter twin-turbo Hurricane inline 6, 540 horsepower, plenty of torque, and otherwise pretty much all the goodies that the Ram TRX had. Now, this is a POV test drive to give you a bit of an impression, kind of some raw feelings about how it is to drive this. If you want to see a full review, click in the top right hand corner because that's where you get our impression comparison to the Raptor and all the other trucks we've had driven out on these trails. As you can see, we've already had some fun. So yeah, if you want to see how she got dirty, literally changed the color, check out that for a review. Jesse's standing by for some drone shots, and in the meantime, we shall get going. The truck's already on because she needs to cool down a little bit. We didn't want to turn her off. So we're already in Baja mode. Let's go to maybe get some cooler modes here. This infotainment sucks. We have whatever, I don't see him right now. This infotainment's where anyhow, we shall buckle up. We're in Baja mode. We're gonna reverse her and I'll launch her and off we go, I would say. And I'm gonna mostly stay quiet. Like I said, if you want my opinion, watch the full review. Drive, Baja mode, brake torque, traction control off, no launch control. Plenty of wheel spin. And as you can see, she goes quite well. And yes, it's no Hemi V8, but the torque down low is quite nice here that the Hurricane inline 6 delivers, and it squares it up pretty nicely with the regular V6 Raptor. Let's get some big bums in here. Pardon the camera getting shaken around, that's just me getting totally tossed around. All right, that is our cooling. Don't forget, when the radiator kicks in into max mode, as all the cloud evolves us, there are a lot of vibrations that come from this radiator. Don't worry, it'll stop in a second. In the meantime, we're gonna go for another pass, and we're gonna take a little bit of a different route in the end. Some good speed out of her. Whew, and she just takes the bumps here in this Baja mode, the Bilstein shocks. Yep, they do a good job. We have some complaints about this truck, but this is not the video where I get into those. That's a mud pit, we don't want to get into that. Wait, not this, but it's in the back there. Sliding, she doesn't really like to slide. And back through the dust we go. Let's go the right side. Whew. Loose rear end on this thing. All right, this is exhausting. What are we at? 126 beats per minute. That's not too bad, actually. Whew, that was a really shaky POV. No trails today. First of all, this thing's 88 inches wide. It's wider than a Raptor. This ain't gonna fit into most of our trails. Secondly, the trail just currently has a big old tree flat across it because there's been some storms. So we can't do this, so we're gonna stick to Baja, which really is the bread and butter of the RH. Oh, that was a glimpse into what it can do, and as you can see, I didn't take that easy at all. I asked a lot of the truck, and it didn't even complain. It didn't even flinch. So, yeah, she's sturdy. She's just as sturdy as a Raptor. Maybe not quite as controlled, especially that rear axle. But incredible feat of engineering. Nonetheless, this Ram RHO. Give her one more. And that shall conclude this POV test drive. We're obviously going to leave her on, and I'm going to make sure she cools down a little bit. Let's not brake. Like slow down on the grass. But yeah, that's our RHO. Let's take another look at her. Let's embrace the dust behind us. And yeah, thank you for watching. If you liked it, make sure to like and subscribe, and watch the full video top right corner at the end of the video. Thanks.